morning everyone, my name is Juan and today we're going to the World Balance Shoe Hub in Robinson's Galleria to check out the recently released Star Wars shoes. There are 3 sets of shoes. The first set are the comfortable lace-up lifestyle shoes. This one is the Legion of Stormtroopers design, and there are 2 more for R2-D2 and BB-8. The second set of shoes are the chunky shoes or dad shoes. This one is for the Stormtrooper. It looks very nice. It also comes with an icy outsole. And then the next one is for Darth Vader. It comes in hints of blue and red. The shoes are made with mesh, patent leather, and this costs around 2,699 pesos. And then according to the staff, this one, the R2-D2, is the best seller. And just behind it are the shoes designed for Rey. For the third and last set of shoes, there are also slip-ons designed for BB-8 and R2-D2. But my eyes are set on getting the Chewbacca shoes. It has a cute Chewbacca face on the heel. This lace-up shoe is made of leather and suede. I just love the brown color of the shoe and the classic feel it brings. The insole has a cool Chewbacca print inside, and it also comes with a translucent rubber outsole with another awesome design, another awesome image of Chewie. The force is definitely strong with this one. The Star Wars shoes are available in World Balance Shoe Hub stores, leading department stores, and even at the Secret Fresh store of Big Boy Cheng. Now, let's try these bad boys on feet and see how it feels. Well, I can say that the shoes are really comfy, and this will be perfect as my work shoes in the office. Now, let's have a quick on-feet demo of these shoes. So there you go, this is an instant cop. The price of the shoe is 2,299 pesos, and I'm so happy with my Chewy shoes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish everyone a great week ahead and have a good one.